Hi, it's James here from ARC Support Services. Success doesn't just happen, it begins with those who take action, and it demands that you be intentional about it. In effect, success has to be planned for. Now that fact is well known, but what's not as widely recognised is how crucial defined processes are to the creation of the product. Additionally, defined or documented procedures have a strength and a value that should never be underestimated, especially in the assessing process. Goals are about direction. They're about where we want to be or where we desire to end up. But the system, the processes that we use to achieve those goals, well, they're about speed. How quickly and how efficiently we will arrive at our goals, or to put it another way, the speed of acquiring your success. Now, when we look at the process of assessing damaged vehicles, we truly need to understand what our goal is. We know that the goal is accuracy, but do we know that accuracy is the ability of a value to match the target that's being measured? But accuracy is also about safety. Safety of the technician working on the vehicle, safety of the vehicle passengers after the repair, safety of other road users. It's also about quality, the aesthetics of the finished vehicle, as well as profitability for the business. We can't forego any part of those elements, as when we do, sustainability of the company is put at risk. When we look at defining or documenting the assessment process, there is something that we really need to be aware of. Energy is precious, and our brains are hardwired to conserve that energy whenever possible. The path of least resistance exists. It's a basic law of physics and a fantastic metaphorical term. It's human nature to follow the path of least resistance, which denotes that when deciding between two similar options, people will naturally gravitate towards the option that requires the least amount of effort. More critically, in the process of assessing a damaged vehicle, where we have elected the easiest way, it rarely delivers the financial or ethical results that are required to ensure safety, quality, and profitability. Experience has shown us that as an industry, when there are choices available, we are most likely to do what appears to deliver the greatest value for the least amount of effort. But far too often, we're motivated to do what's easy in the assessing function and not necessarily what's required to be accurate. With little or no effort invested in planning or defining the assessment process, with minimal thought given to the nuts and bolts of assessing, it's easy to see how the industry ends up with the all too common process of point, snap, click, print. A two-dimensional solution for a three-dimensional problem. We end up with a repair specification that on the surface looks okay, but when reviewed, when it's interrogated, it delivers little in the way of safe repairs. It delivers little in the quality that could be achieved, and it delivers little in the sustainability of the actual business. So problem one, winners and losers both have the same goals. Problem number two, you will never rise to the level of your goals. You will always fall to the level of your system. Solution, when you define your system, when you document your process, and you develop your assessing staff, you create an environment for winners. A winner is someone who can recognise his talents, and he can work his tail off to develop them further, to improve his skills, and use those skills to accomplish the goals that you set for him. Do you want to know more? Get in touch. James at arcsupportservices.co.uk. Thank you for watching.